What's up, guys? T Square is here. I have a little bit of alpha from Smoke Dog over on X. I wanted to read a little bit of XRP alpha and just check it out, guys. But come on in. Please hit that golden like button. Smash it up, but not down, but up, because that's what we like. Hey, and we got the subscribe bell. Give it a ding, 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 and a ring, ding, ding. And you can find that over here in the corner, over there on Rumble and Kick. If you guys want to help support the channel, please do, guys. It's the number one way we can grow. Guys, if you haven't already, check out Smoke Dog over on X. He's always posting out great alpha on XRP, and I'm going to read a couple of them to you. Ripple, on the contrary, actively integrates into the banking industry. Its main customers are large banks and financial institutions. The advantage of this platform is also the fact that it has a complete anonymity, which is an important point for the banks. Ripple does not require mining and therefore does not consume such a huge amount of electricity, which is necessary for securing Bitcoin network. Instead, Ripple has initially released a fixed amount of 100 billion XRP. When Ripple processes a transaction, 0.00001 XRP is written off, i.e., they are destroyed. This is necessary to counteract spam transactions. Thus, the total amount of XRP currency will gradually decrease and its price will rise. The system will have the following structure. We've got segment 2. Enter crypto. Crypto happens to be the latest crucial innovation following Moore's Law. It's the next leg of technology working to help decentralize and distribute networking and the control of ownership of those networks. A couple of things like edge computing, crypto helps to solve the biggest bottleneck on the internet, centralization. As Nadella pointed out, centralized networks are hitting a wall, and crypto is nibbling away at the centralized networks faster than 99% of the world understands. Banks, for example, are already biting their nails about how much decentralized finance, DeFi, could eat away at their bottom line in the next couple of years. If you look at the adoption rate of crypto around the world, it's way faster than the growth of the internet in its early days. That said, if you think you're late to the game, you'll be happy to learn you're wrong. You're still early. Head on over to the third one. Just tab and step. The primary reason is that the market of tokenization is enormous. Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, arguably the most important person in the asset management, wrote in his annual shareholder letter this year. Every stock, every bond, every fund, every asset can be tokenized. Let's break that down. Stocks are a 117 trillion market. Bonds are a $140 trillion market. That's 257 trillion up for grabs in the tokenized wars. And that's before we even get into more esoteric assets. For context, there's been a flurry of excitement for recently about the stablecoin market, which many include the U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent think can grow from 250 billion to 2 trillion by 2030. I don't know, guys. What do you think about that? Is that bullish for XRP? I think it pretty much is, man. I'm just trying to lay out the facts. I'm trying to help you guys discover this nuggets. Yet again, shout out to Smoke Dog out there. He's always working hard. And guys, what do you think, man, for a price point for XRP? You know, I think $10 is pretty conservative this market, and that's if we have a standard market. I always tell people I'm in the ballpark. Shout out to All in Crypto. He charted out and did $19.27. I think that's what I'm calling, man. I'm going to say $19.27 by the end of this market. But guys, thanks for tuning in. Please smash that like, hit that subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.